In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oanda Economic Calendar. The Oanda Economic Calendar is a simple, powerful way to keep track of the news that can move Forex, gold, and index markets. You can view it on the Oanda website, inside your trading dashboard, in the mobile app, and also right inside MetaTrader 5. For this walkthrough, we'll use the version built into MT5, so open your platform and bring up the calendar panel to follow along. You'll see a timeline of past, current, and upcoming releases that affect financial markets. Start by getting comfortable with the columns you're looking at. Time tells you exactly when the data will be released. Country shows who is publishing it. Event names the indicator, such as CPI, GDP, or employment reports. Current shows the latest released figure. Forecast is the market's expectation, and previous is the last published value. Once a report is released, the actual or current number will populate. Traders compare the actual against the forecast to gauge whether the surprise is positive or negative for that currency. A stronger than expected result can be supportive. Weaker than expected can be a drag. Context matters, though, so always consider the trend and what the central bank cares about. Next, use filters to focus on what matters to you. You can narrow the calendar by country or currency, impact level, high, medium, or low, and by date range. If you primarily trade EUR/USD, it makes sense to show Eurozone and United States events and hide the rest. This keeps the feed relevant and helps you prepare for the sessions that matter most. Pay special attention to high-impact events, often highlighted in red. These include non-farm payrolls, CPI inflation releases, central bank interest rate decisions, and GDP reports. They can trigger sharp volatility and fast price moves. Around these times, spreads may widen and slippage can increase, so plan position sizes and risk accordingly, or consider waiting until conditions settle. When something catches your eye, click into the event for more detail. The expanded view typically includes a description of the indicator, a history of past readings, and charts of previous trends. Reviewing how the market reacted to prior surprises can help you set expectations, align your strategy, and avoid emotional decisions. Use the calendar daily to plan your trading session, mark times to be cautious, and note opportunities that align with your strategy. With a few minutes of preparation in MT5, the Oanda Economic Calendar becomes a reliable guide to what's coming and how to stay ready.